Okay, and here we've got the outline for lesson number 3 for the first 2 weeks of our distance learning in biology. Now, lesson 3 is going to be a little bit different. The last 2 lessons were focused mostly on the sciencey stuff of genetics. In lesson 3, we are actually going to come back to that argumentative essay that we started like 2 months ago, the one that combined our English and biology classes. So some of you might be beyond this already, and that's great. But what we really need from you guys, and what your English teachers need from you guys as well, is to stay on top of this paper, which we still want to complete because we put in so much time already, is we want to make sure that we have a generic outline idea for your paper. Okay? So on lesson 3, we've just posted the generic outline idea. Again, this breaks down the paragraphs and the requirements that you're going to need for your argumentative essay. Okay, starting off with your introduction, listing off your main ideas. Remember, each main idea should introduce the main idea, the point, the reason for your essay, bringing in examples of how your research supports those main ideas, along with some explanation, right? So how does the information connect back to your stance in your bioethical topic? So we need each paper to consist of 3 supportive main ideas, okay? But we also wanted to include the counter arguments, right? So introducing an opposing argument for your topic, thoroughly explain the position and ideas of this counter argument, but then taking that counter argument and explain why is that counter argument not as strong as your original position? Why are you still right in light of these counter arguments? We've also got some conclusions that we want you to throw in there that just wraps up your entire paper, right? Restating your thesis and summarizing your big ideas and any closing thoughts. But this is just an outline. Okay, so this doesn't have to be an actual paper. This doesn't have to be paragraphs that you're literally writing. You're just jotting down the main ideas that you want to include in your paragraphs. We find that it's much easier to write a research paper when we have all of those ideas laid out, bare bones style. That way we can throw it together when we need it. So this generic outline, again, some of you may have already finished this before you left. If you think that you have yours done, but you're not sure where it is, reach out to me or your English teacher. Actually, if you could reach out to both me and your English teacher, we might be able to figure out where it is and share it back with you if you're having trouble finding it. But you got to let us know. So this bioethical research paper is still a go. We're still going to try and finish it. We just want to make sure that our outline is complete. Okay, and that's actually going to be the assignment for lesson number 3. So once you've finished your outline, just like the last 2 lessons, you're going to attach that assignment to this assignment post. Okay, so click it. Once you open up that post, you should see in the top right corner a place to attach your outline. Again, whether you're uploading it directly from Google Classroom or maybe you've handwritten it and you want to take a picture of it, that's totally cool too. We just want to make sure that we turn it into this assignment. Okay? And like the previous assignments, this will also be due on May 1st. So just keep track of your time for the next 2 weeks. And please, please, please reach out if you need anything from us.